Hopefully today is the day we finish the climbing. I hope. Leaving Dillon, going to get to Denver today, or like a suburb of Denver. I probably won't stay right downtown. It takes a while to get out of the cities, but got a big climb to start the day, and then hopefully it kind of meanders down after that. So off we go. Mile High City, here we go. Just starting what I think should be the last of the climbing. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It's pretty brutal though. Next 14 kilometers at 8% incline, so it's going to be a grind, but hopefully it's smooth sailing from there. A Basin ski hill. Halfway up this hill. Well, that just sucked. Huge semis coming up on these roads where there's no shoulder at all. I went into this stuff. Front wheel just spun out. Handlebar is just bent now. Oh man, this hill just needs to end. Just reached the summit. 12,000 feet right now. Got all the basins. We're even with the ski hills. Now, way down there is the road we gotta be on. So, gotta make our way down there, but hopefully it's downhill from here. This should be the highest point I'll be all trip. So, it's good to reach the peak. The huge downhill, baby. All the way to Maine, downhill. Probably not, but downhill right now. Big one. It took me 3 hours to do that first 25K this morning from Dillon to the peak, the summit. 3 hours of just climbing, and I've done 45 kilometers this past hour on this downhill. We've just been cruising, but I can't take the I-70 anymore because it goes through some tunnels, and I can't go through there because I don't have shoulders. So I'm on this road now, and I'm 30 miles away, 50K away from Denver. So oh boy, I'm on this little path right now because I was on that road, but that road has literally no shoulder. I had to get off the I-70, and this is the road told me to take, but that is not for bikers. I'm on this path, but this path doesn't go all the way to where I need to go. Oof. I guess I'm gonna have to go on that road, but
any U.S. documents?
I'm a U.S. citizen. I got my passport.
You?
Well, I'm not trying to make a habit of this, but that was second stop in 2 days by the sheriff. Stupid map, man. Taking me down all these nonsense roads and then supposed to be off the highway, which I was, and I thought this one was all right. Apparently it's not. So I have to go back up this path and back up another trail to go back to this other road, which is like, it'll be another 15K and then another 35 on top of that. When the town I'm trying to get to is literally like 15 that way, but oh well, I guess. This day needs to end, man. Look at this nonsense now. I just want to get there. Oh. There's Denver. And here's Nick. You can take me out the oven because I am done. That day was nonsense, man. Just a mental and physical roller coaster. From starting off of that climb and just grinding to falling on the climb to having great views at the top of the climb to cruising down, making up half my distance in an hour, and then getting stuck on the wrong road and the sheriff pulling me over and then trying to find my way back down. Oh my gosh, man. That was just a long day, and it's just pitch black out. Getting here, gotta make this video still. It's like 9 o'clock already, my gosh. Well, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be talking to you. Made it to Golden, it's called. Suburb just on the outskirts of Denver. So hopefully we get through Denver tomorrow, or I have no idea where I'll end up. But thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.